Tareki 19 mweri muhituku aikari kuma Elbagon ni marurunganire thutha wa muhuraniri wa ihoto ciao mundu Raymond Otieno gutharikirwo ni andu matoekaine akiingira muciini gwake na gucoka gukua akiamukira urigiti. Thiku 15 thutha wa giko giki, Clinton Simantu, Jory Mgonga, Joyfrey Dongo, John Degwa, Peter Mwaniki aria neo ekwiro anene a njuragano eno ni maikitio ngono mari miana itiganite ya moro na gukinyio igoti-ini ria Naikuru mbere ya mucirithania Kipkurui Kibelion.
To enable us conclude the investigation.
Mwena wa thitango gitongorio ni Emma Okok ni uhoire igoti riri ihinda ria thiku 30 niguo kurikiriria uthuthuria kuna ni kuri ndumiriri matakinyanirie na iria ni cia bata cira-ini uyu ugithie na mbere.
The investigations will involve collection of Safaricom data. We are yet to record statements of crucial witnesses. Post-mortem is also yet to be conducted, or it has been conducted. We are awaiting samples that were taken to the government chemist analyst. We are yet to receive that report.
I have considered that.
Ona kuri uguo mucirithania Kipkurui Kibelion ni areganire na ihoya riri akiuga ihinda riri ni iraya kuona mwena wa thitango ni wambiriirie uthuthuria wao.
I allow the prosecution's application in the following terms. 1. Leave is hereby granted to the applicant to detain the respondents herein for a period of 21 days to enable the conclusion of the investigation. 2. That the primary
Riu atano aya mekuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kaptembwa kwa ihinda ria thiku 21.
station for the respondents' detention shall be at Kaptembwa Police Station, and leave is granted to the applicant to transfer the suspect to any other station as may be necessary, but this is limited to when need arises.
Kiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, yetagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.